Hello, welcome to the Cloud and Data Science channel. Hope you are all doing well. A little introduction about me. I have over 2 decades of experience in IT in the architecture, design, and development using Java, big data, data engineering, and data science technologies. I worked in Switzerland, Belgium, Mexico, Middle East, Canada, India, and currently in the United States. I'm going to start a free crash course on Databricks from zero to hero. This crash course covers not only the theoretical concepts but also some practical labs. I'm going to publish videos in the upcoming weeks. In this current session, we are going to see what are all the topics that will be covered in the future upcoming sessions. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, share my video to get notified for the upcoming sessions. First, we are going to see what is Databricks and how to install the Databricks, how to set up the environment from the scratch. And next, we are going to see what are all the various components in the Databricks like notebooks, workspace, jobs, data. And next, we are going to import some data and create a table. Next, we are going to see what is delta table, how to create delta lake. Next, we are going to see how to run Spark jobs and how to monitor in the Databricks user interface. We are also going to learn how to integrate Databricks with Azure Data Lake Storage, either by mounting or by using the data account credentials. Next, we are going to see how to process the data in Databricks batch process. We are going to see some case study for that. Next, we are also going to see how to process the streaming data. We will learn what are the various advanced features in the Spark 3.0 such as performance optimization, dynamic partition pruning. There are many other features in Spark 3.0. We are going to learn what is Kolas. We are going to see how to create an ML model using the ML flow. We are also going to learn what is Photon in Databricks. We are going to learn how to integrate Azure Logs in the Databricks. Finally, we are going to learn how to integrate Databricks with Power BI. So please don't forget to subscribe to this video so to you will get notified whenever I upload the video in the future for all these topics. Thanks for watching.